Hi guys, it's the Global Online Math Tutor. Here in this video, I'm going to talk about how to identify the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle or right triangle. They're both the same, okay? And and a lot of students get confused when identifying the hypotenuse if you rotate the right triangle. So I'm going to talk about how to identify the hypotenuse because you need to know that in order to solve problems involving the Pythagorean theorem. Okay. So here I have in this picture right here, I have what's called the right triangle. Okay, so it's the right triangle here. This is called the right triangle. Why is it called the right triangle? Well, I'm going to write here. It's called a right triangle. And why it's called the right triangle? Well, because if you look at this triangle, you notice you have two short sides, two short sides, this side and this side, and you got a long side here. Okay. This side is the longest, and these two are the shorter sides, right? Notice that the two shorter sides form an angle, and that angle is 90 degrees, okay? And this square box right here represents 90 degrees. So you can write 90 degrees, okay? So the two shorter sides form 90 degrees. That's why it's called a right triangle, okay? Now, what is the hypotenuse? Well, the hypotenuse is the side, the longest side of a right triangle. So if you look at the picture, is it this side? No. Is it this side? No. Is it this side? Is it this side? Yeah. So let's highlight that longest side of the right triangle. This right here is the hypotenuse. Okay. So I'm going to use green here. So this is going to be the hypotenuse. Okay. Now that's the hypotenuse is the longest side of a right triangle. Now let us rotate this triangle and see the hypotenuse. Then let's rotate this right triangle and let's identify the hypotenuse. So here I'm going to get my here's what it is. So here's the same picture, and here's the right triangle. Now, if I rotate this triangle, okay, and I rotate, say, 9 degrees, what do you get? What is the longest side here? Well, the longest side is this, right? You see the arrow here? This is still the longest side. So this is the hypotenuse. If I rotate it again, let's rotate it again. Let's rotate another 90 degrees. What is the longest side of this right triangle? Well, it's going to be this. So this right here is going to be the hypotenuse. If I rotate it again, right? What is the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is the longest side, so it's going to be this one. Okay? So this is the hypotenuse. So remember, a hypotenuse is always the longest side of the triangle. Once you understand that, now doing the Pythagorean theorem, identifying the Pythagorean theorem is a piece of cake, because now you know how to identify what is the longest side. So I hope you liked this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let me know in the comments below. Let me know what topic that you want me to cover, or you can also write what your feedback on this video and how I can make it better, or you can discuss how I can improve as a math teacher. Whatever, just I want to grow as a math teacher, and your feedback will be greatly appreciated. So write that feedback in the comments below. Also, yeah, if your child is a high school student and he or she needs help with math or statistics, please email me. My email is in the description below. In the description below. And your homework for tonight your homework for tonight is to eat as much broccoli as you can. Your parents would definitely be proud of you, because as parents always nag you and say, you got to eat that broccoli. You can eat broccoli with ketchup, if that makes you. No, I'm just kidding. Just eat your broccoli eat your broccoli, make your parents happy, eat your broccoli. Okay. So bye for now, guys. That was not a good joke, but yeah, bye for now, guys.